Hi there everybody, welcome to Slim and Stylish. Thanks for stopping by. I thought I'd do a little introduction video for my channel, let you know a little bit about me and what I do here and what Slim and Stylish actually is. While you stop by, please do explore the content. Honestly, it means an awful lot to me whenever I get a new comment or a new like, so if my channel's of interest, please do subscribe and stick around. I'd love to see you come back. So first of all, this is me, Helzie. I've been on YouTube now since 2017 and I'm loving every second of it. Mainly because it's paper crafting. You can't beat playing with glue and scissors. But also I've made a great community here. It's so lovely to speak to you all and get to know you all, and I've made some really good lifelong friends. My passions other than paper crafting are my lovely friends and family, photography. These are just some of the snaps that I like to take. Long walks, I live alongside a canal, so that's always good fun. Drinking gin, and this little chappie. So this little chappie's Squirt. He sometimes features in my videos. His favourite room is the craft room, mainly because that's where he can cause the most havoc. If you're listening to my video and you hear bumps, that's Squirt just walking into everything. He's really fun. He's got a proper little character. I've had him since he was born and we've been on many adventures together. So what is Slim and Stylish? What do I do? Why? Well, I started crafting many years ago. It's my happy time. It just gives me something to relax. I struggle a bit with anxiety, and when I go in my craft room and I shut my door, it's just a happy place. It makes me smile. In 2017, I decided to take the plunge and become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. It's been the best experience ever. Not only do I get wonderful product to play with, but I've made some of the best friends. My team has just become a great community. My YouTube page has grown around me, and I'm really grateful for all the lovely subscribers, and I genuinely get excited each time I see that I have a new one. I share all my projects here, and it's a great outlet. Have a look around, enjoy the content. If you do, like I say, give me a little like, leave me a comment, let me know where you're from. Subscribe, and what would be really awesome would be to share it. It's so difficult to grow an online presence, and I try really hard. Every time someone shares my work, it helps me out. I do have little goals that I'm trying to get to, and it would be great. Talking of which, let's talk about the ads. I'm really sorry that my videos come complete with adverts. I really am, but they do help for my crafting. I don't make much from them, but what I do make helps me buy the products to keep creating. I'm sorry that you have to sit through them, but I'm also really appreciative that you continue to follow me. Talking of following me, why not head over to my Insta? I'm trying to build my following on there as well. In fact, I've got a little Helzie competition where I'm trying to see if my YouTube or my Insta will be the most popular. So why not go over and see all the close-ups of my projects? And again, if you like it, the follows are appreciated. So my core business, what is it? As well as my demonstrations, I sell the kit that makes the projects. You can get everything that I use in my videos from my online shop. It's open 24/7 and it's so simple to add stuff to your basket. If you spend over £150, you get Stampin' Rewards. They're in the form of free products, so ask me about it and I'll tell you the best way for your spend and what you can get most for free. Leave a comment below, I'll give you the details. If you are interested in discounts, you could consider joining my team of Stampin' Bells. You can get awesome discounts on all your choice of starter kit. You get discount on every order you make of at least 20%, and you get to join an awesome community. We have events and craft days, and we also have on stage. It's great fun. You can make a business out of it and demonstrate like me, or you can just get the discounts and just enjoy your own hobby. I'm always available to talk about my business. Just ask me and I will get straight back to you. So thanks again for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy my channel. Stick around. Put the notifications on so you don't miss anything. But mostly the likes and the shares, they just really help me. Thanks guys. I will see you all soon and I hope you enjoy browsing. Have a lovely day all. Bye.